In this videocast, we're going to talk about using AQUARIUS to communicate directly with your sensors. The Sensor Communication Toolbox in the Data Sources roll-up of the Toolboxes menu has been configured to talk to your YSI hardware. If you drag it out onto the whiteboard and then double-click on it, we're presented with the Sensor Communication Toolbox interface. If we want to connect to our sensors, all we need to do is plug the sensor into our computer using the standard RS-232 port and then click Connect. AQUARIUS will scan for the ports available and present a list of the available COM ports. I've connected to COM port 4, so I'll select that. If I click Connect, it'll then go through and connect to that particular sensor over that particular COM port. I'm presented with the firmware menu for the sensor. I can choose here from the File menu to upload, Directory, Quick Upload, View, Quick View Files, and delete all files. I'll choose to upload a file. I'm presented with a list of the files on this particular sonde. I want to grab the fourth file down here, so I'll click 4. I can click 1 to proceed here for the start time and the stop time of the file, and then I need to select the output format. If I select 2, I'm going to be able to import this data directly to within AQUARIUS. You'll see the byte count and the block count gradually growing down here at the bottom as the data is transferred over the RS-232 port. This may take a while, so we'll come back in a few minutes. Once our transfer is complete, we're prompted by AQUARIUS as to whether we want to add this signal to the output ports. If I click Yes, we'll now have that temperature, specific conductance, and conductivity time series as our output ports. We can also save the data that we just downloaded from the data logger as a file just by clicking Save As. We're prompted to save here, for example, this file name .txt. I can then close this particular toolbox, and I have now my downloaded time series on the right hand side of my Sensor Communication Toolbox. If I want to have a quick look at either of those data sets, I can just right click on them and click Quick View. This will show me the linked spreadsheet and graph view of, for example here, my temperature time series directly off my sensor. At this point, I'm free to wire these time series to any other toolboxes I want to on the whiteboard.